Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and I actually filmed this look with the cherry palette from C Color Cosmetics. That video will go up Monday, so by the time you guys see this video, it may be up already. So I'm coming over here because you guys know I did a whole thing talking about the 12 days of Christmas and all of that, and was I gonna do it at this age? Blah, 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 blah. I wanna tell you guys what I ended up doing. So Kohl's had this really cool thing right here, and it is the 12 days. So it was a way that I could save money, and what I did was there was like a 30% off coupon code. I had, I think, $15 in Kohl's cash, and I got these for like next to nothing. It ended up legitimately being cheaper than if I did 12 days of Christmas, one thing per day. So what this is the Star Wars collection, and then when you open it up, my kids are like upset. Well, 3 out of my 4 are obsessed with Star Wars. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and then you pop out each day, and each day has a new sock. Now my youngest is not about that life. This is my bonus son, so we got him Jurassic World, and then same thing, you pop open one for each day, and they get a pair of socks. Everyone seems to be really excited about it. Mom and Dad saved some money, so it ended up working out. It was one of those things where the more I started to think about it, the more I was like, I've literally been doing the 12 days of Christmas before I had all my children. Like, I only had Haley, and I was doing the 12 days. So I was like, it started to like feel nostalgic. Is that the word? I don't really know. Anywho, so that's the way I did it. That's the way I saved some money on it. And here's a pro tip. I'm like 99% sure these are probably gonna go on sale the day before Christmas. So they were already on sale, so I got even more of a deal on them. So I may stock up for next year, just saying, just a different design. So anyways, I am getting ready to run children everywhere. Got everybody from school. Look how I screwed up my hair. I was doing curls, and then for some reason I like brain farted and was trying to curl only the ends, like I was in the 90s or something. And then I tried to fix it, and I done screwed up this whole section. And it's not hair washing day because I just washed my hair last night. So good times, fun times, whatever. See you guys in a little bit. We are just living our best life in our ET t-shirt. What can I say? Okay, judgment free zone. Ready? So here's the dealio, guys. My hairdresser is always saying you need to go a lot of days in between your hair washing for, like, you know, to save your hair. It's better for your hair when you give it a lot of days in between. And I went through this thing where I was like, every other day I was washing it, and then actually for a while there I was doing every day, then every other day, and then I got back to stretching it out. And can I just tell you, last week I did that. Like, I'm not gonna give you how many days, but at this point I'm like, she's a genius. If you find the right dry shampoo for you, then her theory works really well. So Ulta, at some point Ulta had I don't know why the dry shampoo by Chlorine was on sale at Ulta, but it was. And the bottles that are normally, I don't even know how much, were on sale for half the price. So I picked up like 4 bottles of it, because honestly, I love Dry Bar and I love Chlorine, but they're expensive, and I won't ever, never, ever purchase them full price. I always wait for them to be on sale. In between waiting for the sale and potentially being out, I was using Ebates, and then I do use Hask. I think H-A-S-K, Hask. Anywho, it's the purple bottle. I don't know. If I'm really feeling fancy, I'll try and link it down below for you guys. By the way, Dry shampoo is a really good stocking stuffer, just saying. Anyways, where was I going with that? Found a good shampoo to the point that it didn't irritate my scalp, because I was starting to think that was one of the issues. I should have like no holds bars it, but I was good. I didn't. But anyways, sometimes I would use a dry shampoo and it would really irritate my scalp, and I narrowed it down to, it was the Ebates that was like getting into my scalp, and it was so uncomfortable to the point that I would like almost argue it out with my hairdresser, and I'm like, no, your way's not right. I think you're wrong. Like, it irritates my scalp. I can't take it. I just, it's like clogging my follicles or something. Stop using the Ebates. I will tell you, the Ebates smells delicious, but it irritates my scalp so bad that I'd literally almost get like rashes on my scalp, and it was so bad. Anyways, long story long, using a really good dry shampoo, whether it's the Chlorine, Dry Bar, or Hask, does not irritate my scalp. And I legitimately, guys, okay, I can't even tell you how many days it was in between, because I really don't want people to be like, you nasty. If you go and you look at my Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson conspiracy theory 5 looks 1 palette video that uploaded on Friday, I don't know what day you guys are going to see this. That had been many days in a row. And I think I may have washed my hair that night. But it looked so good, like so volumized. Like right now, I washed my hair last night and it's like limp. It's like, I got a little wave to it. But that was the thing, guys. Like, I washed my hair the next morning, I dried it. The next morning, I put curl in it. And that was the last time I had curled my hair the whole time. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone to record this, and I keep seeing little drop downs, and I'm like, what is that? Anyways, so it gave me so much volume, and I was laughing. I told my husband, I'm like, okay, like stop, like don't think I'm nasty. I mean, I take a bath every single night, guys. Like every day I'm getting a bath. It's just the head that doesn't get washed. Anyways, I was like, I've got so much volume in my hair. It's like back in the pageant days. Like back when I was a teenager, I did pageants right before I got married. Like, I got married at 19. I got married really young to my children's father. So, anyways, yeah. Before then, I had done pageants, and I had like the big bouffant pretty hair, and that's what that video reminded me of. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love the volume that I am dealing with. So I thought it was too good to be true. There's no way I'll get another round like that. And I did it this past week. There's something about it, guys. When you find the right dry shampoo 6 minutes in, you will get voluminous, voluptuous, beautiful hair. Especially if you have like fine, thin hair. Because I have a lot of hair, but even before, like, my old hairdresser legitimately fried my hair. We should do a story time on that. And my hair fell out. Like, it fell out so bad back in 2014 that January 2015 I started wearing extensions to help my hair grow back out. Like, I had pieces this big back here. It was so bad. It was so bad. Anyways, we could, like I said, we could do a story time on that. So I started babying my hair, and one of the tips that my hairdresser had given me was that, and I totally tangent. I'm really tired. Can you guys tell? Okay, I'm just gonna hop off. I'll see you guys in a bit. That was 7 minutes of Rhonda Rambles. I love you guys, and thank you if you sat through that. And if you did sit through that, what is your favorite dry shampoo? I would like to know. Hey guys, impromptu vlog sesh. I'm at my local health food store before my son's meet, and they have like this little clearance section And then this other item that we found here is the Lily's milk chocolate style peanut butter cups. We're early, so I thought we'd get like a little snack because they always have a food concession, and it's so tempting. It's so tempting. Another thing I found here in the clearance is this pure gum, but it's like pomegranate mint. And he just found these cauliflower stalks.
Cheddar flavor.
Yeah, they're high in carbs though. Zevia is good. We'll find some other snacks. But anywho, I wanted to show you guys, they have like a whole section where it's discounted. So, you know, thought that was pretty cool. I'm gonna like hop off here and dig around and see what I can find. But like I said, impromptu vlog time. Okay guys, so we are back. We're gonna show our haul from the health food store. We did get Zevia's, the grape Zevia's lighting. It's like pitch black out here, guys. He wanted a snack, so we got these 4505s, fried pork barbecue smokehouse flavor. It's like blinding sun. We also found what you guys saw in there. There we go. The Lily's chocolate peanut butter cup. So I'll definitely be trying one of those. Oh, look at this, guys. Halloween candy by this is Glee Gum Mini Variety Pack, $3.50. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like little tiny. You remember those little chiclets when we were little? I don't know, like not many. If you guys are a lot younger than me, you're not gonna remember them, but they were like the little chiclets. So
like chocolate balls?
No, they were like 2 pieces of gum in a little thing called a chiclet. Is that all we got? Yeah. Oh, okay. So that's our haul. So now off to the meat. Bye guys.